is how do I assess the quality of my developer? Know thyself and what you actually want to pay for. So once again, if your developer says, yeah, I'll do a great job, but they don't have the support around to make it a great project, being through the assistance of project managers or particularly UX, in recent years, the change to be more UX focused and customer focused, and really finding out what the customer needs and then developing a development project around the customer, that's of high importance and a skill that that will define the quality of the development process. Referees, call their referees, ask for referees of similar size and give them a buzz and talk to them about not only their development project, but how they engage with you as a developer. Like, were there people at hand? Were they quick to respond? Did they deliver on time? What methods are they using to move the project along? And this one I actually used quite often, and it's basically giving any developer, and particularly overseas, I basically chunked a large project down to a 5% piece. So what I would do is actually give each 3 or 4 final developers, it was the final filter process, I'd actually give them a really small chunk of the project and say, I need this built. And I'd sit and watch. I'd be interested in how they're going to communicate with me, how quickly they actually deliver it, and then the quality of the product at the end. You get a very good taste of what the service is going to be like off a very small piece of work without spending a huge amount of money. So that's one strategy. Regular demonstrations. Alex will talk soon about regular demonstrations in terms of sprint weeks. So the one thing with international development is that when demonstrations stop, they've run into a difficulty of actually delivering the project. It's gone beyond them and everything stops. It spent a good 3 months trying to get the developer in Russia, because he got to a point where he basically couldn't complete the work because it got beyond him, beyond his skill set. So, but when that stops, that's when the warning signs are, you should be looking at the warning signs for yourself in terms of the project and whether you need to move it to someone else. Look for the signals. So code review process. In Alliance, we have tech leads which will be reviewing the code from those developing under them. So there's constant review process going on. Automating testing. Have they got an automating testing in place? Are they suggesting automating testing as part of the project? And do they think about users? Have they got a UX expert within the team? Or are they actually considering what they're building is going to be used by someone, and therefore the look, the feel and the functionality is actually working for the end user?